The GCR series collaborative robots are ideal for intelligent manufacturing. They are lightweight, small in footprint, and flexible to install. Designed to work alongside humans, these versatile robots improve efficiency, precision, and safety across a variety of industries. Our robotic arm automates touchscreen testing with precision. It performs endless taps, swipes, and multi-touch gestures like human hands, but never tires. In addition, our robotic arm revolutionizes automotive quality control process. With millimeter precision, it performs comprehensive vehicle body scans, detecting panel gaps, surface defects. Combining high precision and safety, they can be widely used in a variety of scenarios such as ASMBL also handles delicate component installation, seating connectors and securing modules faster than human hands. Intelligent handling ensures high efficiency during material loading and unloading. It can be also used in laser welding application. Boost welding efficiency with advanced robotic assistance. This high-precision system ensures consistent, flawless welds while reducing manual labor. Free up workers' hands, enhance productivity, and streamline your welding process with cutting-edge automation.